soon-to-be first graders, I have some summer writing activities to keep you busy and get you ready for first grade. Number one, let's keep a summer journal. It could be a notebook, it can be just a bunch of paper stapled together. And if you just give that to your soon-to-be soon-to-be first grader, they're gonna say, I don't know what to write about. So instead, make it kind of a conversational journal. For example, ask a question. You can write it out so they can see. For example, you could say, what should we have for dinner? Notice that I underlined the uppercase W at the beginning of the sentence, and I underlined the punctuation at the end. So talk it through with your student and say, what would you like for dinner? Let's make a good sentence. An uppercase letter at the beginning, finger spacing between the words, and then some kind of punctuation at the end. A period, an exclamation point, I know they know is an exciting mark. So if they say, I want hot dogs, I gave an example, you don't want them just to write hot dog or hot dogs. That's not a complete sentence. So if you say, what should we have for dinner? And they write hot dogs, not a complete sentence. Talk it through, and they would write, I want to have hot dogs. Notice, want is not spelled correctly, but if you sound it out, well, this is inventive spelling, and have has no E at the end, and that's okay. As long as you can read it, the adult can read it, and the student can read it back to you, that's good. Okay, I have another example. A lot of students don't want to write at all, they love to draw. So give your child some crayons, some markers, piece of paper, even a note card, and just let them draw, let them create. Let them draw a picture, and then just have them write about their picture. Simple. Have them tell you about the picture before they actually do the writing. Again, emphasize a capital letter at the beginning, finger spaces between your words, and an